pop the frunk, open it, pop off this area of plastic, one, two, three, four, 5 torque screws up top, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 torque screws on the bottom. Take this whole thing off. Take the filters out. Airflow arrows should be pointing down. You do the ones with the plastic grid first. The normal ones have 2 arrows. They've got this side up and airflow down. So have this side up, pointed up, airflow goes down. Make sure the whole thing is flush. Let's fit the cover back on, the one that takes the torque screws. Put 10 torque screws back in. Fit the plastic back on. Close frunk. And that's it.